Hello, and welcome to My World Vocabulary. Let's start with my house. My house. My house. My bed. My bed. My sofa. My sofa. My television. My television. My bathtub. My bathtub. My sink. My sink. My toothbrush. My toothbrush. My toilet. My toilet. Very good. What do you see when you eat? Dinner time. My table. My table. My chair. My chair. My cup. My cup. My bowl. My bowl. My plate. My plate. My spoon. My spoon. My fork. My fork. My chopsticks. My chopsticks. Very good, everyone. Next, let's talk about my family. Here we go. My family. My family. My mommy. My mommy. My daddy. My daddy. My brother. My brother. My sister. My sister. My grandma. My grandma. My grandpa. My grandpa. Me. Me. Thank you very much for watching, everyone.